Hello all, let's start section 5.4. and 5.4 we are covering system of nonlinear equations in two variables. There are different types of system of nonlinear. When we call it nonlinear and when we say a system, it can be that both equations that's given to you can be quadratic or nonlinear in general. For example, x squared plus y squared equal 9 and 2x squared minus 3y squared equal 3. This is a nonlinear system. Or it can be one of the equation x plus 2y equal 4 and the other one x squared plus 2y equal 5. One of them linear, none of them nonlinear, or both variables in the second equation can be nonlinear. How to solve these systems? I'll give you some methods where you can use eliminating, where you can use substitution method, correct? Let's start with case 1. Look at this example. I'll put case 1 as an example for you. Look at this problem. For example, they are giving you x squared equals 2y plus 10, and they give you a second equation which is 3x minus y equal 9. One of the equations are nonlinear. You see power of 2 like the first equation. It's nonlinear because I have x squared. The second equation is a linear equation. If they give you one system nonlinear and one system linear, always try to use the substitution method. Correct? For the system that one of them, make a note, for the system that one of them is nonlinear and the other equation is linear, the best way, the quickest way to solve the system is the substitution method. You may ask me how I can do the substitution. In substitution method, always choose your equation that is linear and solve it for one of the variables. Correct? I'll take my equation number 2, which is 3x minus y equals 9, and I'll try to solve this equation for y. Correct? To do that, first I'll subtract 3x from both sides. These two cancels out. Negative y equals negative 3x plus 9. Now divide all terms by negative 1, correct? Then you end up with y equals 3x minus 9. Now you see what I do here. I'll copy my equation number 1, which is x squared equals 2y plus 10. Look here. How easy is this? I'll substitute the value of y, which I solved this one, and the equation number 2 and y. This is your equation number 2. This was your equation number 1. Correct? It means I'll go this way. X squared equals 2 times what is the value of y? Y is 3x minus 9. Correct? Plus what? 10. Now you end up with equation, of course quadratic, but one variable, not two. Correct? Let's simplify this and solve. and we already know how to deal with quadratic equations, correct? Then x squared equals 2 times 3x gives you 6x, minus 2 times 9 gives you 18, plus 10. Let's simplify a little bit more. X squared equals 6x, negative 18 and 10 gives you negative 8. Now bring everything to one side. Remember, you are dealing with quadratic. One side should be 0. It means subtract 6x and add 8 to both sides. Subtract 6x and add 8 to both sides. These two cancels out. Then x squared minus 6x plus 8 equals what? 0. Can we factor? Let's see. Yes, I think we can factor 2 and 4, right? X and x, 2 and 4, both of them should be what? Negative. Because negative 2 times negative 4 gives you positive 8. And negative 2 plus negative 4 gives you negative 6. From here on, I will write here x minus 2 equals 0 and x minus 4 equals 0. Correct? Now, if I solve these two equations, I'll add 2 to both sides in this equation. It means x equal 2. And I'll add 4 to this equation. It means I'll end up with x equal what? 4. Now, how to find the value of y, correct? Because I found the value of x and I found the value of y. Now, if you use your linear equation, which was, what was my linear? This one is the best, y equals 3x minus 9. This one is the best one. You see, y equals 3x minus 9. This equation is ready. Plug in first x2. It means y equals 3 times 2 minus 9. It means y equals 6 minus 9, which means y equals negative 3. Then what's the final answer? When x is 2, y is what? Negative 3. Next time, y equals 3x minus 9, plug in 4 in x. Then y equals 3 times 4 minus 9. It means y equals 12 minus 9. It means y equals what? 12 minus 9 gives you 3. It means your second solution is when x is 4, y is what? Y is 3. Always try to check your system. It means the values that you get, 2 and negative 3, plug in the original problem in both equations and see if this answer satisfies both equations. And also check your second answer. It means plug them in the original problem in x and y and see if it satisfies the equation. Correct? Let me do another example for you. The second example, example number 2. Let me show you at least 2 examples. X squared equals y minus 1, equation number 1. And your equation number 2 is 4x minus y equals negative 1. Correct? Again, one of the equations are nonlinear and the second equation is linear. Then the best way to solve is use substitution. And first, work with your equation that's linear. Solve it for one of the variables. I'll usually solve it for y. You can solve it for x, but look at here. Your x is quadratic, correct? Your x has a power of 2, then you have to square everything. It's a lot of work to go that way, and you may easily do a mistake. That's why it's better to use it to solve it for y and plug in the value of y there, correct? Let's solve it for y. I will subtract 4x first from both sides, then negative y equals negative 4x minus 1. Divide everything by negative 1, correct? Or multiply both sides by negative 1. Y equals 4x plus 1, correct? This equation, you can even name it number 3 or A or whatever you want to name. Now copy your quadratic or nonlinear x squared equals y minus 1. This is the value of y. You plug it here, correct? It means you end up with x squared equal, even you see I'm changing the color that you understand why y becomes 4x plus 1. Now you can see it, minus 1. And solve this equation. Negative 1, positive 1 cancels out. X squared equals 4x, correct? There are easy ways to solve this, correct? There are easy ways to solve this one. Bring it to one side, correct? It means you will end up with x squared minus 4x equals 0, correct? Do not do this mistake, please. Let me put the wrong way here for you. X squared equals 4x. Oh, I have here x squared, I have here x. Let's divide both sides by x. If you do this, correct, you end up with x equal 4, only one answer. But if you go this way, actually you get two answers. Look, factor out x, correct? Then you end up with x minus 4 equals 0. From here, x equals 0, one of the answers, and x minus 4 equals 0, which x equals 4, the second answer or solution for this problem, correct? This is wrong. Do not do that, correct? Now you have two values for x, 0 and 4. How to find the values for y? The best equation is number 3, which is y equals 4x plus 1. Plug in the value of x. When x is 0, find y. When x is 4, find y. It means y equals 4 times 0 plus 1. It means y equal 1, correct? It means when x is 0, y is 1. Next time, y equals 4x plus 1. Plug in x4. It means y equals 4 times 4 plus 1, which gives you y equals 17. It means when y is 4, x is 4, y is what? 17, the solution for your equation. Correct? Let me do another example for you, a different one. X minus y equal 3, equation number 1. And your equation number 2, they give it a little bit tricky this time. X minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 4. Of course, at this level that you are a student of college algebra, you can identify easily which equation is linear, which equation is nonlinear. You see, still one of the equations are is linear and the other one is nonlinear. Your equation number 1 is is a linear, correct? Then try to solve it for one of the variables. Copy here, x minus y equal 3, equation number 1, solve it for y. This time it doesn't matter if you solve it for y or if you solve it for what? For x. Because you see, here anyway you have to square it, or if you put here a value substitute, anyway you have to square it. It doesn't matter which one, correct? Then the easy way is to solve for x. It means add y to both sides, correct? Then x equals y plus what? Plus 3. Now plug in the value of y and the second equation, the value of x. Your second equation is x minus 2 all squared plus y plus 3 squared equal 4. Plug in the value of x here, correct? It means you end up with y plus 3 minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 4. Y plus 1 squared plus y plus 3 squared equal 4. Now, how to deal? You have to use y plus 1 times y plus 1, FOIL it, or use this formula. I'm using all the time this one, right? A plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. If you apply that one, it's much faster. It means it gives you y squared plus 2y plus 1 plus apply the same formula here. It gives you y squared plus 6y plus 9 equal 4. Now combine like terms, correct? Y squared plus y squared gives you 2y squared. 2y plus 6y gives you 8y. Positive 1 and 9 gives you positive 10. Correct? Equals 4. Now subtract 4, bring everything to one side, right? Make one side 0. Then it gives you 2y squared plus 8y plus 6 equals 0. Here you see 2, 8, 6. You can reduce it. You can make it smaller. Divide everything by 2. Correct? Divide everything by what? By 2. In the previous example, I told you to do not divide. There the difference is, there you divide by x, not by a number. That's why you are losing one of the variables. But here you divide by a number. You are okay. Do it. Make it smaller, correct? Then you end up with y squared plus 4y plus 3 equal what? 0. Can we factor? Let's try. Yes, 3 and 1, right? The factors are 3 and 1. Y plus 1 and y plus 3 equals 0. Set each parenthesis equal to 0. Y plus 1 equals 0. It means y equal negative 1. And y plus 3 equals 0. It means y is equal negative 3. Now, which equation you should use to find the value of x? You can use number 1. You want to go really difficult way? Use number 2. You want to go really easy way? This red equation, which if I name it number 3, use that one. X equals y plus 3. X equals y plus 3. Use that one. Plug in y negative 1. X equals negative 1 plus 3. It means x equals 2. Same equation. X equal y plus 3. Plug in y negative 3. Then x equals negative 3 plus 3. which gives you x equals 0. It means when x is 0, y is negative 3. And when x is 2, y is what? Negative 1. The solution for this given system of nonlinear equation. Correct? Now, what will happen or how to deal with the problems if they give you both equation nonlinear or quadratic? Definitely in this section, all the examples that we are covering for you, we are not going above quadratic. We will not put here equations for you with the third degree or cube, right? Maximum you go up to quadratic. Now we're covering examples that both equations are nonlinear. For example, 4x squared plus y squared equals 13, equation number 1, and they give you another one, x squared plus y squared equals 10. Make a note. If both given equations in the system are nonlinear, use the elimination method. Use what? Elimination method. When you are using elimination method, when both equations are nonlinear, this is the easiest way to go. Correct? Of course, you can go difficult way. Do first substitution, then do solve it. That will be difficult. The easiest way to do what? Elimination. You already know the elimination method when your system was linear. It's the same method here. You're dealing with nonlinear, correct? You have to make the coefficient of the one of the variables equal but opposite sign to each other to eliminate. Which variable in this system is easy? You see, you have y squared and you have y squared. If you multiply one of the equations with -1, easily you can eliminate y. Then I'll copy my equation number 1, which is 4x squared plus y squared equal 13, equation number 1. I will multiply equation number 2 with -1, which gives me -x squared minus y squared equals -10. Correct? Equation number 2. Now add vertically, right? Or eliminate. 4x squared minus x squared gives you 3x squared. -y squared, positive y squared cancels out. Equals 13 minus 10 gives you 3. Now solve this equation. First divide by 3. Then x squared equals 3. Now what will, sorry, not 3, 1. Bad math. 3 over 3 gives you 1, not 3. Now take the square root. Be careful, here you are taking a square root. The square root of x squared equals, what should I do on the right side? Right this way? The square root of 1. Remember, I told you every time you have to use this sign. Plus minus square root of 1, correct? It means x equals what? Plus minus 1. Correct? It means you have two values, x equal 1 and x equal what? -1. Now plug in the value of x in one of the given equations. Usually try to choose the easy one and find the value of y. The easy one means you have lower, kind of smaller coefficient. Those types are easier, right? For example, look at your equation number 2. Your equation number 2 is x squared plus y squared equals 10. That was your equation number 2. Just plug in the value of x first one. It gives you 1 squared plus y squared equals 10. It means 1 plus y squared equals 10. Subtract 1 from both sides. It means y squared equals 9. Take the square root from both sides. Y squared equals the square root of 9. It means y equals plus minus what? 3. How many answers then I have? When x is 1, y can be 3. And when x is 1, y can be negative 3. Correct? Same equation, x squared plus y squared equals 10. Correct? This time, plug in x negative 1. Then it will be negative 1 squared plus y squared equals 10. Negative 1 squared gives you again 1 plus y squared equals 10. Subtract 1 from both sides. It means y squared equals 9. It means y equal plus minus what? 3. It means you get another set of answer. When x is negative 1, y can be 3. And when x is negative 1, y can be negative 3. It means here you have 4 answers, correct? There are different examples in your book, correct? There are different examples in your book. Any of them that you pick, they're easy. I'm not going to do another example here because it's just an elimination method. You can do an elimination method. If you want to practice with one, I can put one example here for you. You can practice with this. When you are watching this video, for example, 3x squared plus 2y squared equals 35, and 4x squared plus 3y squared equals 48. Try to do elimination here. I give you a hint. The easy one or the smaller one will be y, correct? To eliminate. To do that, multiply your equation number 1 with negative 3 and multiply equation number 2 with 2. Correct? Easily you can eliminate y. After you eliminate y, find the values of x, plug in and back in one of the equations. You should end up with 4 set of the answers, correct? With 4 set of the answers. This was all about section 5.4, correct? I'll stop the lecture here and see you all in section 5.5.